Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make kingfish fry in Chennai style. Kingfish is also called as Vanjuram mean in Tamil, also Sela mean in Tirunelveli of Tamil Nadu. Kingfish is one of the most favorite for the fish lovers in India and it is very delicious too. So it is prepared as a special food in many houses. My name is Vicky Xavier and welcome to Vicky's Kitchen. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and continue watching. So let us get started with the recipe. For this we need kingfish half kg or 1 pound. Ask for thinly sliced kingfish pieces. Rinse the kingfish pieces and keep it aside. Arrange the fish slices on a plate so that we can easily apply the masala paste. Take a small mixing bowl and add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, salt 2 teaspoon or as per taste. Pepper cumin powder 1 teaspoon, that is pepper half teaspoon, cumin half teaspoon crushed together. I keep this as 1 powder. Red chilli powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 3 teaspoon. To this we are going to squeeze half a lemon. We are adding the lemon juice in order to prevent the fish from breaking during the frying process because lemon juice hardens the fish. If we do not have the lemon juice, we can add either tamarind juice or a little fish curry also. This will also harden the fish and the fish won't break. Mix these together with very little water. Keep the fish slices on a plate and rub this masala paste on both sides. We can dip the fish in the masala mix or we can just apply the masala all over the fish. Marinate in room temperature for 30 minutes or keep the marinated fish slices in airtight container and marinate inside the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Definitely not more than that. You can keep the marinated fish inside the freezer for up to a month. Heat oil in a shallow frying pan. We may need at least 1 cup of cooking oil. I am using peanut oil and any cooking oil can be used. Once the oil is heated, reduce it to a medium heat and put the fish slices one by one. Don't put a lot of fishes in one batch. If we are putting a lot of fishes in one batch, we will not be able to turn them over. Once we see the bubbles getting reduced, flip the fish slices and cook both sides. Fry both sides till the fish is crispy on outside and soft inside. Now we can see that the fish pieces has become reddish brown color. This rich reddish brown color is the must for fish fry. So at this stage we are taking out the fish slices. Place them on paper towels to remove excess oil. Drain the oil, take out and place on a serving platter. Likewise continue frying all the fish pieces. Now our kingfish fry is ready. Tips to make best fish fry. Always buy thinly sliced kingfish. In order to make the fish fry without breaking the fish, add lemon juice or tamarind juice to the masala. Lemon juice hardens the fish slices and will prevent it from falling apart. Always choose fresh fish. Marinate it and fry it just before frying. If you want to fry ahead, then after frying, sprinkle some lemon juice over the fried fish and keep it inside a closed container to avoid drying. Keep the fried fish on a serving platter and decorate with sliced onion. Sprinkle with a few drops of lemon juice for more flavor. Our Chennai style kingfish fry is ready. Serve as side dish with fish curry and rice or biryani or sambar rice. Hope you all like this fish fry recipe. Please try this and let me know how you like it in the comment section. I request you to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you again with some more interesting videos. Until then, take care. See you.